Hey guys, welcome back with another student video. Guys, in this video we will discuss how can you change or update control center of your iPhone to latest iOS 18 version. So simply guys, if you are unable to show your latest control center of iOS 18, so how can you do it? So first of all guys, you may just open the settings of your iPhone or iPad, and guys you will make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this guys, you may scroll it down, and if there is any connected VPN, you may click here on general, and you may click here on VPN, and you may disconnect from here. After this, you may scroll it down, and here is the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Click here, click on reset, and click on reset network settings. Then guys, you may go back and you may click here on software update, and you may turn off beta updates from here. So you may click here on beta updates, and then you may go back, and officially iOS 18 will be shown here. So you may download latest iOS 18 version. Then guys, you may go back and you may install iOS 18 version from your iPhone. After this, you may click here and you may check the latest control center will be shown here. So you may click here and hold for some second. You may also minimize your control center here easily. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.